Hi, please subscribe if you want more videos like this. If you want to download our models, you can go through the link given in the description of this video. Before design of fighter plane. Let's clear about how it works. A fighter plane consists of a powerful jet engine and wing mechanism. The work of jet engine is to produce thrust which gives forward push to the plane. This works on the same principle like a water jet ejecting from a pipe. When a highly pressurized water ejects from a small opening of a pipe in your hand, you feel a backward push by pipe in your hand. Jet engine works the same way. It takes air from outside, compresses it by its axial compressor turbines, and then do combustion to further increase the pressure of air to very high value, and then ejects through nozzle having small opening. In this way pressure energy converts into kinetic energy of jet which gives the plane forward thrust. Let's look towards the full inside view of jet engine. At first this engine takes air from outside opening which is in the front side of jet engine. The design of inlet is in such a way that it converts the high velocity air from outside into high pressure. Thereafter the pressure of air is further increased by axial compressor turbine. This works in the same way as you see that a moving fan have high pressure air in front side and low pressure air in back side due to the moving action of fan blades. The design of turbine blades is also in such a way that it gives optimum increase in pressure. The axial compressor turbines have two types of blades. One is rotor, the blade which moves and compresses the air, and the other blade which is stator, which just establishes the flow of air in given direction. Thereafter air is passed towards the burner where fuel is mixed in air and it is burned to high temperature. Due to this high temperature, pressure of air is further increased. Now this high pressurized air ejects through nozzle. While ejecting from the nozzle, this high velocity air is passed through turbines which is connected to the axial compressors. So the axial compressors turn due to the motion of these turbines. These turbine blades have airfoil shape, the shape of any plane's wing. So due this these turbines turn at very high velocity which then turns the compressor at the front of engine, and thereafter hot air escapes from the nozzle at very high speed which give thrust to the plane. This cycle repeats again and again and plane moves forward. A gap is maintained between the jet engine and the outer body of the plane through which bypass air is passed into the plane. The work of this bypass air is to cool the jet engine and to resist the heat from the jet engine going towards the outer body of the plane. This is the sole thing needed in the fighter planes. Due to this forward push, the plane moves forward at high velocity. Due to this, the air around the wings moves at high velocity and air pressure difference is generated around the wing due to the shape of wing. An upward lift is generated on the wing and the plane is lifted upwards. Thereafter the moving wings controls the direction of the plane. Suppose the plane wants to turn upward or downward, then the moving wings in the back moves up and down to give the plane upward and downward turn while moving. In the same way, if the plane wants to turn left or right, then these wings turn left or right to turn the plane in left or right direction. If the plane wants to turn in clockwise direction around the direction of travel axis, then one of the moving wing in the left turn upwards and the right wing turns downward, and in the same way for turning in anti-clockwise direction, the left wing will turn downward and the right will turn upward. So in this way plane can go in any direction due to this wing mechanism. One most important thing in the design of these planes is that the center of mass of these planes is adjusted in the direction of line of thrust, otherwise the plane will turn automatically while moving in the forward direction. Also, when the lift is generated on the wings, it is almost equal to the weight of the plane which is exerted on the wings. So the wings should be strong enough to withstand the weight of the plane. The aerodynamics of this plane depends on the outer shape of the plane, so outer shape is designed in such a way to give optimum aerodynamics and lift to the plane. That's all. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment. If you want to download this fighter plane 3D model, then you can go through the link given in the description of this video. Thank you.